Once upon a time, in a magical world filled with emotions, there lived a tiny, shimmery, and lively girl named Joy. Joy was one of the 5 emotions living inside the heart of a little girl named Sophia. Every day, Joy would make Sophia laugh, dance, and feel happy. She loved to play games, sing songs, and share every moment of joy with her friends. But one day, Joy felt a little tired. She decided to take a break and went to visit the memory vault, a special place where all the memories were stored. Joy found an old memory of Sophia playing in a sunflower field. She felt a warm, fuzzy feeling in her heart. Suddenly, an idea popped up in Joy's mind. She decided to create a sunflower field for Sophia right in her room. With a sparkle in her eyes, Joy returned to Sophia's heart and started working. She used her magical powers to grow sunflowers in Sophia's room, filling it with bright yellow petals and vibrant green leaves. When Sophia woke up, she couldn't believe her eyes. "Sophia, wake up! Look at your room!" Joy exclaimed. Sophia opened her eyes and saw the beautiful sunflower field in her room. She was so amazed and happy that she jumped out of bed and ran to the sunflowers. She picked a sunflower and held it close to her heart. "Thank you, Joy," she whispered. Joy felt a burst of happiness and love in her heart. That day, Sophia and Joy shared a special moment, a moment that they would remember forever. From that day on, Joy realized that sometimes taking a break and creating special moments can bring more joy than any other day. And Sophia, with a newfound happiness, grew up to be a kind and loving person, spreading joy wherever she went. The end.